Hello guys, in today's video I'll be talking on how much YouTube paid someone for a video of 216 views. So shocking. If you see the amount, hey, YouTube has done another one. See, you at the end of this video you'll be surprised, I'm telling you. So somebody shared this video on our channel and I watched the video. I was so happy for her, though the video has not given her much views, but I really hope that video gives her more views, because if she has views she's going to make a lot of money from that video. So I watched the video from Clara Unzen. I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation right. Clara Unzen. So, and that particular video gave her 216 views. She posted that video last year, and so that video has just been there having little views, like 216 views, and the video is 11 minutes, I think 26 seconds long. So it's actually a long video. So, and then she did a video on how much YouTube paid her for that video. I watched the video and I was wowed, like, really? Understand? So I'll be sharing with you in this video everything she said in that video, so that you will see that this YouTube, the more you try to understand it, the more you will get confused. That is it for YouTube. So just play along with them, do whatever you are doing, and then any result you see, take it like that. So guys, let's move straight to the video. So if you see me looking down, just know that I jotted the points down, like everything I need. I had to jot it down. So in that particular video, she got 216 views, and then the video is 11 minutes and I think 26 seconds long. Then that particular video, the impression of that video is 8.5k. That is 8,500 impression. That is to say, every eyes that saw that thumbnail is 8,500 people. Do you understand? 8,500 people saw the thumbnail, and out of that 8,500 people, 216 people click on the video. That is that for that. So for the watch time, she was able to get 13.7 watch time in that video. Do you understand? 13 hours from that particular video. And then the top geographies, that is the particular countries that view that video the more are: number one, we have Nigeria. People from Nigeria, they view that video for about 27.9%. So Nigeria got the highest view. Do you understand? And the second one is the United States, and they viewed it for 8.8%. That is, people in the United States of America, they viewed the video for 8.8%. And then Kenya, which is also an African country, they also viewed the video for 5.6%. Do you understand? So, and I hope you all know that when people from United States, all those abroad people, their CPM is higher. So when you have more people viewing your videos from those kind of countries, you will gain more compared to if it's only African countries, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana. You will earn less compared to when all those Africa, America, United States and all those countries view your video. So that is one thing about that, because their CPM is very high. In this particular video, advertisers paid YouTube to place advertisement on a video, and the amount they paid is $42.67. That's a lot. Like, seriously? That is a lot. And then the revenue she will gain from every 1k views, that is to say, every 1,000 views that she gets in that video, the amount she will gain from that particular video is $15.35. Seriously? That's a whole lot. Because you might be wondering, why did the amount reduce? Advertisers paid $42.67. Why is she not getting $15.35? Is because YouTube has removed their own. That is YouTube percentage. They have removed their own percentage. Do you understand? So she's not left with $15.35 for every 1k views. So the thing is, advertisers paid, like, they push money into that content. and I really pray that she gains more views in that video, because it will help her a lot. She'll be able to gain more money from that video. And so now to the reason why we are here. So the revenue that she was able to get from that video is $3.29. Guys, if you don't receive YouTube money, you will know that sometimes 1k views will not even give you that money. No talk of 216 views. Do you understand? So the reason why she was able to gain more money like that is because advertisers paid more money on that video. They paid more money. So just as people are watching the video, people keep watching the video, people keep watching the video, and she gets to 1k views, then she will get $15.35. So that is how it works. That is how it works. So guys, I hope you understood everything I said in this video. So when you are creating content, hope and pray that advertisers push more money into your video, so that the more people watch it, the more you gain more money. Do you understand? So, and the area, the location that people are watching your videos from also matters a lot. So also pray that people that also watch your video, they watch it from those countries with high CPM, so that you will gain more money on this YouTube platform. So there are several factors that determines how much somebody makes on YouTube. There are several factors, you understand. Also, the length of the video also matters a lot. This video was long, 11-minute video. So YouTube will be able to place like 2 advertisements on that particular video. Do you understand? Like multiple advertisements. But if it's, let's say it was 6 minutes video now, maybe she would have not gained more money like that, because she will have only one ad play on that video. When you want to do a YouTube video, I will advise that you also do a video that is like 8 minutes longer. Like, do you understand? Can be 9 minutes, can be 8 minutes, can be 10 minutes, because by so doing, YouTube will be able to place more advertisements on that particular video, and you'll be able to make more money. The more people watch your advertisements, the more you make money. I hope somebody have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, why don't you like this video? Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, support me. All these are the ways you can support me, especially by sharing and by liking and by commenting and by doing all these things. You are actually supporting me. Please keep supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.